All right, let's talk about troubleshooting getting a no for everything. All right, so getting a no for everything is a common concern for a lot of people learning muscle testing. What are the reasons you might get a no for everything? All right, first, it could mean that you're not recalibrated. It could mean that you don't feel grounded or calm or balanced enough to get accurate answers. It could also mean that you have not given yourself permission to know what's best for you. And so your subconscious has this low level of trust in your conscious ability to respond to what the yeses might be. So, for example, if your subconscious were to give you a yes, but your subconscious knows or understands that you would not act on that, then it's just like, let's just play safe, this comfortable, uh, this comfort zone thing. It's just, easy to not know and not have to face reality and make changes. Does that make sense? So make sure you give yourself permission to know what's best for you, because it is our birthright as God's children to know what is best for us through God's inspiration, through our own gut instinct, through our own being able to access this subconscious information that we have, that God has given us. And so give yourself permission to have that. All right. Be willing to listen and follow through with whatever information your subconscious gives you that requires action. So confirm that to yourself that you are going to act on the answers that you get. All right, maybe there's something you've been putting off a lot and your subconscious just says, well, you didn't listen to the last thing I told you. So how can I trust you here? I also want you to be patient with yourself, because even if you get a yes answer to one thing that your subconscious recommends you do, then listen to it, follow through with that, and see if more answers come. If none of these really help you at all, I would recommend setting up an appointment with an emotion code or body code practitioner and finding out exactly for you why it is that you feel blocked and clearing those so that you can just jump right back in the game and keep going.